Okay, so this is second module in week 11. So engineering products. So this week has two modules. So, but two modules are one of my favorite the areas in technology education. So let me start. So this module is in uh, Unit 6 in our textbook. So designing and engineering products. So this is the engineering products. So this unit is explaining how to design engineering products. So we talk about the how we establish customer needs and wants last week, and then previous module we looked at designing products, and this is the engineering products. Engineering products mean uh, doing engineering for the product. So we have five objectives. Explain how products are designed, engineered, and then the second is the term, engineering modification, and then engineering specification. Particularly, engineering specification is a term that is important in engineering and recognize different types of engineering drawing. And I will show you three different types of engineering drawing and also describe about the bill of material, and then lastly specification, and then their form and contents. So those are keywords. So first one is engineering, product engineering. So that is the reason that need that engineering product engineering is design must be refined through the process called product engineering. So in the previous module, we talk about the how we design a product, but before manufacturing, we need to like verify if that the product is designed well, or is there anything that we need to improve. So so that's why we do product engineering. So product engineering means the process of preparing a design for production. So, and then a design is specified and tested for operation and safety. So uh, in that process, we use the term specification or specifying the product. That means determine size, material, and quality for that product. So that is specification. So the let's go more detail about specifying design. So what aspect we need to consider in terms of specification. So the most product have several parts and must fit and work together. So let's say we are designing a CPU, but each CPU there are lots of they use thousands of parts, but where we can get the quality parts. So sometimes there's three approaches to obtain the parts. So first is produced within the company, and then second is buying from other companies, and then third one is standard components. So those are three approaches we can take. So for example, like iPhone, the Apple iPhone, so they put a lot of effort for their quality, obtaining quality parts. So that's why they sometimes they design themselves and then ask a third party company to produce their quality products. So that's why the iPhone developer, such as the Steve Jobs and his colleagues went to travel to Japan or Taiwan or China to meet their the other companies, and then to uh, find a quality manufacturing process, to find quality manufacturing manufacturers. So this is also important in manufacturing. Also, the product engineers need to specify the product characteristics such size, shapes, and properties in three ways. So I'm going to explain these three ways in this module. So first one is engineering drawing, bill of material, and specification sheets. So first one is engineering drawing. So at this module, I just present its concept. So, and then in the class, I will give you time to dig about this drawing. But this class has some limitation because this manufacturing systems does not much focus on the CAD designing. So that CAD designing, we've offered a CAD course in our program. So anyway, so engineering drawing has many parts. So that should have a specification for individual parts. So it has three drawings basically: detail drawing, assembly drawing, and system drawing. Mostly we do detail and assembly design drawings, and if you work in a more complex system, we need the system drawing. So first is detail drawing. So let's take a look at this example. So this is example of detail drawing. So what can you see from this drawing? You see specific shapes, and then the size, or sometimes you see the material, like plate, steel, and then number of parts, right? And the hole or rivet, the curve, how to make a curve. This is about the curve. Yeah, we have a lot of detail on this chart. So this is the detail drawing, and gives the exact size of the part and location. So where we cut the material. So may include hole and notches, curves and tapers, and usually represent as a orthographic projection. Orthographic projection means represent the 3D model by three different views: top and front and side. That is orthographic projection for an outcome for the product. And second is assembly drawing. So that shows the assembly process as a drawing. So provide information to show assembler how part or product fit together. So that include parts by name or number, like this part, name or number, and the location of each part. That is assembly drawings. So in CAD software, such as AutoCAD or AutoCAD Fusion or SolidWorks, that is another CAD software, they provide this assembly drawing. So in that software, we can design each part, and also we can add another drawing, that assembly drawing, that bring each part into a drawing, and then you can draw this assembly drawing. And then third type is systems drawing. That is not common in our like college level or about our level. So anyway, so that used to show electrical, pneumatic, or hydraulic systems. So this is an example of the system drawing that shows air duct system. So that shows how each part are connected to others. So this is system drawing, so showing big picture of the product. And next is bill of material. So this is bill of material. That is the specific item sheet. So that show list of all material. So and then that sometimes they may include part number or part name, quantity or size and material, or sometimes we can add cost. Yeah. So this example, like sequence number, item description, consumption. I don't know what that means, but the quantity or the unit or rate, price, amount. So this is an example of bill of material. But luckily, also CAD software, they also can build, they automatically can generate this bill of material. So, if we draw the CAD software by part. And lastly, the specification sheet. So another, that's a yeah. So this is a sometimes or certain qualities cannot be shown on the drawing, such as let's example. So use of adhesive or material strength, whether resistance, that the or safety issues that cannot be illustrated in drawing. So that's why we need to additional like data sheet, that is specification sheet. So that provides sometimes technical data sheet. So that also include the description of characteristics of products to a designer or engineer. So this is example of technical data sheet. So as you can see, this is a just sketch, but these characteristics such as the color, we may not able to illustrate the color in a drawing, so we can add here, or body type, or other like specific data can provide in here. So that is a specification sheet. All right, so that's it. So this is the engineering product. So in the class, this week we will go more about the ideation, and then you will have a chance to practice this and product engineering by writing the drawing and data sheets, and then bill of material. Thank you.